The primary drain line for a typical home air conditioning system is the pipe that carries condensate away from the indoor air handler and usually exits the building near the outdoor unit. The indoor air handler, often in a closet, attic, basement, or garage, collects condensation in a drain pan beneath the evaporator coil. The primary drain line connects to the bottom of that pan and runs downward or horizontally toward an exterior wall. Look for a white or PVC pipe roughly 3/4 of an inch to 1 inch in diameter, though older systems may use copper or flexible tubing. Many systems include a small access T with a removable cap near the air handler that allows for pouring bleach or baking soda and water to clear clogs. Remove the cap and use a wet shop vacuum on the exterior termination to pull blockages if the cap is not present. Outside the house, the line usually terminates near the outdoor condenser, at a low point by a concrete pad or into a yard drain, and it may have a small drip or elbow pointing down. Follow the indoor line through walls or attic space until you reach that exterior exit. When inspecting or cleaning, always turn off power to the air handler, at the service switch or breaker, and wear gloves and eye protection because biological growth or debris can be present. If the drain is hard to access, has repeated clogs, or shows signs of damage or leakage around the air handler, document the location and condition, and consider scheduling a professional inspection to avoid water damage. Common mistakes include assuming the first visible pipe is the primary drain when it is actually the overflow or secondary drain. Check which pipe is connected directly to the drain pan and use the access T to verify flow. People often pour straight water into the drain pan and walk away when roots or grease farther down the line cause blockage. Use the access T in a vacuum or careful biological cleaner and then verify the exterior discharge is flowing. Finally, homeowners sometimes clear only the outdoor termination and miss a hidden kink, insulative wrap damage, or crushed pipe within walls or attic. Trace the line back to the air handler and inspect the full run, and if you find inaccessible routing, contact a contractor who can open a small access panel safely. At bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners locate trusted local contractors and find peer advice about home systems like air conditioning drain lines. We also give contractors a place to connect with homeowners and participate in our discussion community to share tips and troubleshooting experience.